Welcome back to my channel. It's not a fucking video if I don't start off late. Right now I'm supposed to be on my way to the beach and I'm late. Machu, I gotta go all the way to Manhattan and I'm all the way in Jersey right now. And I'm supposed to be meeting my sister, but I'm out of breath. But before this video started, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and comment out any other video ideas. Yo, y'all can hear how fucking out of breath I am. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get on the bus. I look crazy right now. I'm about to put my hair up. My legs hurt. I'm walking fast, like the back of my legs hurt. But anyways, I'm waiting for my sister, like I said, or if I even said that, because we're supposed to be going to the beach. I'm out of breath, like literally out of breath. But anyways, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car. At the beach or whatever. I can't even.
You get any water? No? You don't like the water?
We're just here to look cute.
No, it's dope. I'm not gonna lie. The water is
Here for the vibes.
Listen, if y'all want to get lit, I'm letting you know right now. Be careful.
What's this?
It's Tito, Ciroc, and then Amsterdam, and then pineapple juice.
Tito, Ciroc, Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Is this Def?
It's literally that.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's yours.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
I don't have no cup. Girl, no, I don't have no
Nah, y'all need some liquor.
It's okay.
It is. That's yours. What?
already know what the fuck is going on for real. Like,
It's cold.
it's real cold.
The water is mad
Damn,
cold.
this shit hot.
I tried earlier. This shit was not working.
I think we'll stand up in the sun. Is it?
I don't want to be.
It's a fly. It's a fly. Come down.
Right.
It's a fly. Flies don't bite. Oh!
But lady, you're not gonna go get it. It's yours. Oh my god. Why you didn't go get it?
It's yours, and it slapped me in the face. What the?
Look, it's still going in the water. I'm crying.
Well,
It's too windy.
Mine's is a 46.
I don't know. You changing right here, Brianna? You changing right here. I need a cup. You going in the water?
We got cups.
Can I get something to drink, please? I think I'm gonna put my thing on. Where's my shirt? Oh, I need some thicker ones. These is this clean?
You can pick up the whole thing. I'm sorry, Chantal.
No, this is heavy as fuck.
It is heavy. Oh god, because
Alright, I'm too late right now. That little bit of running.
I got sand on me, y'all.
Right, I turned around, nobody
I
behind me.
said, Malaysia, go get your damn, go get
I
it.
was too busy when Chantal get hit
She
in the face
laughed.
with the
It
umbrella.
hit me in my head first. That's why I was like, wait, hold on.
You want to put it back or what you want to do?
Hold on, I'm just trying to wait till the wind calm down. I know it's gonna go this way.
How does she come up so quick?
This is mine that you gave me.
Deep in there.
This is yours.
Yeah.
So you got black carpet gold.
I'm so sorry, Chantal.
I was like, is she gonna get it?
No, she just seen me a lot.
She was in awe for a minute.
Oh my god. My fucking nipple is out. Oh well. Open your way.
Huh?
Where is it?
Right there.
Huh? Oh. All that forking. Sorry. I got me some new glasses, y'all. I got new glasses, y'all. How
Do you
you?
still want water?
Brandon, you so low as fuck.
Did you want drinking water?
No, thank you.
No. Huh.
I just wanted to put with the ice.
Oh.
This is. Y'all like my new glasses?
Sand all over my shit.
Chantal gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, we doing a vlog?
I did look
Vlog. A day in my life. You did an outfit of the day. Get ready with me.
No, I didn't have no time because I had work this morning and I didn't have time.
Chantal, put this. Bring the cooler.
I like that. I love those videos. Do you edit it like on your phone?
Yeah.
What do you use, like CapCut?
No, Velo, whatever the frick it's called.
Okay. Because iPhone has like a lot of apps where you can like edit.
And now all of them cost money. They cut.
Nah, CapCut is free. CapCut is good.
I never even heard of that. Is this?
You should my iMovie.
Huh?
iMovie is good, but I
You don't get to do too much stuff. You recording me? Okay. It's only one that I want, but it costs $100 and something.
I'll do something else for a video editor. Fuck out of here.
But you could. You don't have to update. You don't have to pay every month. The app I have, you gotta pay every month.
Oh,
It's the good app that you use for the Apple laptop. That's why it costs $100. No, it's not even $100.
like a one-time
It's
fee?
$350.
$350, but like you don't have to pay for it ever again in your life.
No, that's what all that's what all
But I would, but like,
that's what all the real YouTubers use.
man, fuck that. You gotta get some like sponsors first, and then that. I always want to do like the wig sponsors. That shit.
Who has Lucy?
I would, but I can't do wigs. She does my hair, so that's how.
So what? So she can do it for you, and you can just promote it. No, but they don't gotta know she doing
Nah,
it.
because they wanted too much money for the Lucy.
But I can't get nothing anyway. You gotta have at least 1,000. I don't have 1,000.
I said,
Only got 200 because I'm not active.
Because I see a lot of people do that shit on TikTok.
I don't know how to use TikTok. She's a TikToker.
Girl, all you gotta do is like do a little
No,
cute video.
she's a TikToker. I can't do TikToks
You can
at
do
all.
it. You can do it. There's people on TikTok that's like 80 years old figuring that shit out.
I
You
can't
can
do
figure it out.
TikToks. I tried.
That's the next shit that's up and coming. Like I see everybody on TikTok doing wig promos and they getting like $1,000 for a wig promo. That shit good, right? That's what I'm saying.
But I can't do hair.
Listen, when you promote anything.
No, the hair videos is always more.
Yeah, they are.
And some girl I was watching, you get sponsored, they gave her free weed. I was like,
I think it's easy to get free wigs. I have in this
no weed. She got free weed to promote.
Yo, I have so many.
She was like, they gave her free weed to promote. I was like,
Fuck the weed. I want the money. I'll take the money.
that's what she was promoting to get the money. She was promoting the weed. I was like, I don't even smoke, but I mean, if I have to, I will.
Shit. Promote edibles.
That's who they do that.
Right.
They do that.
Yeah,
But some of them that was doing it, they said the edibles wasn't that strong.
they weren't. I found
No.
one
Because people
girl.
don't know how to make cannabis.
Right.
No, because let me tell you, you remember that we told we was like 16? And we found that we
On the floor.
we found
She
that
did.
weed on the floor, and we went in the house and made the brownie.
You got space?
We talk about this how when we were 16 and how they were smoking.
Oh shit.
Teray,
Teray, Bob.
it was definitely you.
You got
Come
rules?
on.
Don't be telling on my cousin her name is. I mean, I'm grown now. I was exactly. We were smoking weed, okay?
We sure. You remember we used to skip?
Ain't no weed. I never skipped school. I never.
No.
No, she didn't.
No?
She was a good
Oh,
girl.
Chantel was a good one.
I never skipped school, but I never skipped school, but I was never in the class.
Yo, those edibles I got from you?
I come over here and I chew
The cookies? That should have me
That
lit.
shit was hard as fuck.
But the fucking, the Fruity Pebble shit, I didn't feel it at all. But the cookies, I was stuck.
The person I get from is Jersey.
Now there's somebody that I want to get from, but like she live in Baltimore, and I'm like sketchy about getting that shit mailed. I'm like, I don't know.
I know I get from somebody that he lives in Philly, and then the other person.
I need
lives in
extra.
Jersey. I have two people that live in Jersey. One person that lives in Brooklyn, and then one person that lives in Philly. The one that in Philly, I had a photo shoot for my website. I told them, please do not take that anymore. Between her and Chantel.
Oh, my pictures was
They had
nice.
and they was like this in the pictures. I was like,
Looking
no, you
fucking
cannot do that.
stupid.
I need y'all to do better because these are going to her website.
I want some more edibles.
They should have asked me.
She didn't like the what's the name, but she liked the cookies.
The cookies, yeah, I just told her.
The cookies had us.
Yeah,
We
cookies
one time
had me
we went to Amazon, right? This girl, and I have another person about this. She had drinks. We had.
Oh, she told me about the wine that y'all had though.
That's from Philly. That's from Philly. Yeah. But
I think it was just fucked up. I was just sitting there like, all right.
no, you know, because we did the video. We was
I
like,
got mad videos.
we was like, who's gonna be the littest for?
And it was
It was
definitely
me.
you.
I was fucked
You
up.
knocked out. You fell asleep.
No, she was like, look at my blanket.
I had to cook it. I fell asleep. I woke up like this on the floor.
I'm
I
dead.
woke up. I looked around and I just
You
got in
call
the
me.
bed. I
You
just
call
got
me.
in
You
the
like,
bed.
yo, they lit, babe. I'm like,
She over there
yeah.
deep throwing the bottle. She was over
Yes, she was.
there.
She sure was. I got that video right on YouTube.
I got that video.
Oh, you
Half on the floor. Half
Oh,
on
you
the
too.
She
Make sure you tag
Half
her.
on the floor. Half on the
It's on my phone, but it's on her fucking
You stuff outside all the time. Just do bottles. Make your money, shit. You got some fans.
Only fans.
Right.
That's not what OnlyFans is for.
She can be listen, niggas will pay for anything. They pay for socks, they pay for anything. Feet.
OnlyFans is for like hair stuff.
You said hair stuff?
OnlyFans.
That's what this girl used hers for.
Really?
She used it for hair
Some people
stuff.
do.
I mean,
promote her
people
hair.
pay for anything.
They use it she used it to promote her hair. That's what she used her OnlyFans for. I was like, shit.
DDG put his business shit up there.
I mean,
He put his unreleased music up there.
that's smart. That's
Some
smart.
people do that. Like some
like,
people like
oh.
Elegant Tay, he would put videos up there.
That is,
Oh, like him doing hair and shit? Yeah, that's it.
It's
That's
not
what I
supposed to be
thought.
for
No,
sex,
that's-
it's supposed to be for fans.
It literally
People just
is.
turned it
Exactly.
Toronto about making feet photos. Don't take too far at your old age.
He would make
People,
money.
yeah, people
pay
pay
for
they
that.
like that.
Yo, Twitter is the way.
Twitter is the way.
Yeah,
Let
Twitter
me
niggas
tell
pay
you
for
how I
money.
posted
Twitter.
it because I have a link. I have a page. My boyfriend was like, "No, we're gonna pay for this." And the website.
I'm good.
And this guy he used to just like giving me money for no reason. So they used to try to pick me
Oh
up.
yeah, Teray, she did that all the
Told
time.
me that shit.
Teray used to pimp Brianna out.
Shit, so stop saying that.
No,
but you did. You did. She used to be like,
Go say how.
no, she used to be like,
I know friends that got bread that I know you can finesse.
no,
It's a
no,
finesse
the
thing.
guy from Fulton Street. She used to be like, oh, we hungry. Let's go get some money. You remember? And he gave me
I don't know if female pay. I don't
No,
want
he
to get
gave me
it's a finesse thing.
$100.
She pimped my sister out.
$100. We spent like $30 at McDonald's.
Teray was.
That one might be mine. 'Cause it's like
What the
reddish.
fuck is H?
It might be mine.
Honey turkey?
No, I mean yeah, probably.
Teray used to pimp my sister out. Yeah.
Remember that guy on
Yes, y'all. She used to
You
pimp.
told me about that shit. The nigga in the window.
Yes.
She used to pimp my sister out, and Brianna used to like that.
I never said pimp.
No, because if we
get money.
if we didn't have no
I don't care,
money,
that's not
if
what
we
the
didn't
YouTube
have no
said.
money, if we didn't
She used
have
to
no
pimp my
money,
sister
if we
out.
was drunk or high, Teray was like, go say hi to that man so he can give us some money.
And he did
I'll be
it.
like, okay, so we'll just walk past. She'll be like, walk past away, and I'll be like, 1, 2, 3.
I'm dead. This is mine. No, this one is mine.
He used to be like, come in, come in, come in.
What's the name? I think this is stuffed turkey.
Look like turkey.
You look like turkey to me.
What you got?
I got turkey too.
No, I don't want that shit. I want chicken.
Oh, you got chicken? Do you have chicken, honey? Or do you have turkey, honey?
Do I have chicken?
I love cooling young horse. I love him. I know. But y'all
You
don't
see me standing here?
because why would you? Anybody want like
I want chicken.
I'm going out tonight.
It's nice
Where's
to know.
my
I'm
vape?
going
Can
home.
you get my vape out your titties?
I'm going home tonight.
that's how you turkey is?
That's one of them.
Yeah, let me stop it. Hold on. But okay, come on. Is it recording?
We in the vlog.
Yeah, we getting drunk on the motherfucking beach. Okay. I'm gonna go until it goes all the way up my shorts. And then I gotta go.
Stop being scary.
I'm recording.
Oh, wait. Wait a minute. No, don't back up. Police.
Don't get your shorts back because you got to wear that back home. And you is not getting the car seat wet.
Okay. Juice me. Cigarette me. I for sure gotta block this out. Bitches in a white turtleneck. Yeah. Where is she? All the way up there? No, sweetie, I can't. Ew.
And we out here.
Yeah.
Far Rockaway.
She drunk. I'm not, y'all. Cause I gotta catch up. Yeah, you. I'm not drunk.
I mean, I was in the ocean
They do. They do.
and we was
drunk in the ocean. Because it is what it is. You know why?
Yeah, because you know how we do.
You know why it is what it is? Because at the end of the day, I don't be feeding the fucking seagulls. No, I did not. I didn't.
I'm scared of them.
Stop them
Look,
arguing.
at the end of the day, I know what the fuck I did. I mean, I know what the freak I did. You go ahead.
Yes, I'm terrified.
It's monetary.
I got chased up when I threw my whole plate.
I don't even get.
You don't have 1,000.
I don't even get paid yet. So
Get her up to 1,000 followers so she get this monetary. Come on, we need the money.
we.
We collectively, it's gonna be this video that's gonna get her the money. Cause you know why? We at the beach, it's good vibes.
We got the drinks. We got the food. We got the music.
Yeah,
got
I mean the
everything.
music is kind of low, but you hear it. You
Yeah.
feel me?
That's
I mean
good, 'cause I don't want that
copyright. Exactly. You know. I know.
They be pooping.
I'm not drunk, y'all. I'm not. I'm
No,
nowhere
not
near.
over here,
Nah,
'cause
I'm nowhere near her.
I'm mother. Blicker nigga. I blick a seagull.
Shoot some shit.
Lick a seagull.
I blick a seagull. I said seagull. A seagull.
Them shits is low. They about to hit our head.
Cause somebody over there
Not
is
even stand
is
up.
somebody over there eating. That's love spell. That's love spell. Can I? No, your vape. It's love spell. Can I have some? Cause the pink one, the love spell one is the love spell
I
one.
thought she meant Victoria's Secret spray. That's
No,
what I
but
thought.
love spell is pink too.
I don't think the beach is closed.
Nah, I'm crying, y'all.
Taste this one.
Is that like a what's this?
Melon ice.
Oh, I don't want that.
Taste
About
it. Taste it.
20. What time is it?
I'm tired. No, I'm not tired. I'm lying. No, I like saying that. I say that all the time. I'm
5:54. And about at like 6:30, I'm posting my video. I have like 2 videos not posted.
Which ones?
Don't come back.
I
got like 2
mean,
videos.
she's gonna upload and y'all gotta subscribe and post notification bells is up. Ding, ding.
Today.
You feel me? Cause look,
so much you gotta do post.
subscribe, post notifications is on for sure.
Like, comment,
And you like,
subscribe.
comment. No, I already said subscribe. Like, comment, because at the end of the day, she's trying to get monetized. And if y'all not liking, she's not getting no money. And she need money. She needs the money. Cash App is in the bio. We at the beach. It's such a fucking vibe. You feel me? It's a vibe. Family is out. You feel me? Family is out. And we is vibing. What is it?
Yeah, what she said. Everything that they said, you do that. Brianna's a punk. Ooh, for talking shit, I almost dropped my drink. That's what I get. Now the lifeguard here. Nobody in the water now. But, yeah.
You in the cold water? You in the cold water?
Y'all heard. Y'all know what the fuck. I'll be back.
You know, listeners.
I look a fucking mess, but no way, it's almost 10 o'clock and I'm on my way back to Jersey. Like, I'm gonna be home until like 12. At least the A train is here. But I will not be home until like 12, for real. And this is why I barely hang out in Brooklyn. I don't like to go home by myself. That's fuck. my real glasses. Somebody needs to remind my ass to never, ever go to New York and then go home. Never. This is crazy. I can't find my fucking glasses. So I got home like 10 minutes ago. And I'm about to get in a shower, so this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment down any other videos you'd like to see from me. And yeah.